Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jackson. We're looking at our homework for Monday, October 22nd, 2012, and we're concentrating on number 2. And as you can see, they're asking 3 different questions about this diagram here, where you have hearts. The first question is very simple. What is the total number of hearts? And the denominator is in parentheses because they want you to know that the denominator tells you what? How many equal parts there are in all. There may be some not shaded, there may be some shaded, there even may be some with patterns. But how many equal parts do you have in all? What makes them equal? They're all the same size heart. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hearts in all. The total number of hearts is 5. So our denominator would be 5. And when they speak of denominators and numerators, they're looking at a fraction. Fraction looks something like this. You have a top number and a bottom number. Your top number is your numerator. Your bottom number is your denominator. Your denominator tells you how many equal parts there are in all. Your numerator tells you how many equal parts you are focusing on. Okay? So in our case, here, our denominator wouldn't be a 4, it would be a 5. Now they're asking what is the numerator of shaded hearts. So we would count all the hearts that are shaded. We would concentrate on the hearts that are shaded. The numerator tells you how many equal parts you focus on or concentrate on or look at. 1, 2. So in this case, our numerator wouldn't be 1, our numerator would be 2. Now, we can't write the whole fraction because they didn't ask for a fraction. They only asked for the numerator, and the numerator is 2. So we're going to write a 2 here. You have to give them what they ask for. And then you get to question C, or part C. It says what fraction of hearts is checkered. So how many hearts do you see checkered? You see 1, but you can't put 1 up there because that only indicates the numerator. There are 5 hearts in all, so the denominator would be 5, but you can't just put 5 here because that's only the denominator. They want the complete fraction. So the easiest thing to do is to draw your fraction bar and put your denominator, because the denominator is how many equal parts you have in all. You've already answered that. To get the numerator for this fraction, you will concentrate on the hearts that are checkered. How do you know that? Because they asked for the checkered. And how many are checkered? 1. And now that you've written your fraction, you can read it. What fraction of hearts is checkered? 1/5, or 1 out of those 5 hearts is checkered. Remember, it's only a fraction if the parts are equal. And why do we say 1/5? Because there are 5. If it was 3, we would say thirds. If it was 4, we would say fourths. 10, we would say tenths. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, just email me at ClassJump. Thank you.